What if I told you that Indiana home bakers, jam makers, and food entrepreneurs could soon be legally allowed to make up to $1.5 million a year from their own kitchens? This could be one of the biggest updates Indiana has ever seen when it comes to cottage food laws. House Bill 1562 is currently in progress, and if it passes, it's going to shake things up in the best way possible. Let's break it down. This bill would allow the sale of perishable foods, raise the annual income cap to $1.5 million, and simplify labeling requirements. That's a massive leap forward. Now, what does this actually mean for you? If this bill becomes law, Indiana would be joining a growing movement of states embracing what's known as food freedom. That's a shift toward fewer restrictions and more opportunity for home-based food businesses. The new sales cap of $1.5 million isn't just an upgrade, it turns part-time side hustles into real, full-time business opportunities. You could go from baking on weekends to running a serious operation, all from home. And with simplified labeling, you'd spend less time worrying about legal fine print and more time making great food. But of course, there are some concerns. Allowing the sale of perishable food from home may raise questions about food safety and transparency. It's a balancing act between freedom and responsibility, and one we'll be watching closely. So here's the big question. Should Indiana pass this bill? Would you start selling perishable foods if you could? If you want to stay updated on cottage food laws like this across the country, make sure you subscribe to Cottage Foods Laws. We break down new bills, explain what they mean for your business, and help you grow from home legally. Like this video if it helped you, and share it with someone in Indiana who's ready to turn their kitchen into something big.